Hello everyone, this is Darsh Italia. Welcome to my channel Darshonium. In today's video, we'll learn how to find out the oxidation numbers. In order to find out the oxidation numbers, there are 8 rules that you need to remember. Rule number 1. The oxidation number of the elements in their free or uncombined state is 0. For example, aluminium, when it is given as solid, it is in its free state and hence the oxidation number is 0. Rule number 2. The oxidation number of the monoatomic ion is the same as the charge on that ion. For example, sodium ion, which is Na+. So here the oxidation number of sodium is +1. Another example is of sulfur ion, which is S2-. So the oxidation number of sulfur here is -2. Rule number 3. The sum of all the oxidation numbers in a neutral compound is 0. For example, potassium dichromate, which is K2Cr2O7. Rule number 4. The sum of all the oxidation numbers of a polyatomic ion is equal to the charge on that polyatomic ion. For example, carbonate ion, which is CO3 2-. So here the overall charge is -2. If you don't know or you cannot distinguish between monoatomic ion and polyatomic ion, I have explained this in my previous video, which link I will mention it in the description box. Let us move on to rule number 5. The oxidation numbers of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, that is group 1 and group 2 elements, is +1 and +2 respectively. That is, alkali metals have oxidation number +1 and alkaline earth metals have oxidation number +2. Rule number 6. The oxidation number of oxygen is usually -2, but if it is present as peroxide, it is -1. Rule number 7. The oxidation number of hydrogen is usually +1, but if it is present in the form of metal hydrides, it is having oxidation number -1. Last and final rule, rule number 8. The oxidation number of fluorine is always -1, whereas in case of chlorine, bromine and iodine, the oxidation number is usually -1. But if they are bonded to oxygen or fluorine, their oxidation number is +1. So these were the rules that you need to remember in order to find out the oxidation number of any element. There is a general formula that you can use in order to find out the oxidation number. Suppose there is a compound AB2C3⁻⁴. So the formula goes as number of atom of A into oxidation number of A plus number of atom of B into oxidation number of B plus number of atom of C into oxidation number of C equals to X, where if it is a neutral compound, the value of X is 0, and if it is a polyatomic ion, the value of X is the number which is present on the polyatomic ion. So let us take an example. We'll take the example of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Here we'll find out the oxidation number of sulfur. So let us use my formula. Number of atom of hydrogen is 2. So 2 into oxidation number of hydrogen according to the rule is +1. So we'll write 2 into bracket +1 plus number of atom of sulfur. In sulfuric acid, sulfur is only 1. So number of atom is 1. And we have to find out the oxidation number of sulfur, and hence we'll keep the oxidation number as X. The third element present is oxygen. Number of atom of oxygen is 4. So it will become 4 into, according to the rule, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So in bracket -2. So till now it will become 2 into +1 plus 1 into X plus 4 into -2, which will be equal to 0. As we all know, sulfuric acid is a neutral compound and hence it will be equal to 0. So on performing the maths, we will get +2 plus X minus 8 equals to 0. plus 2 minus 8 becomes minus 6. So S minus 6 equals to 0. Minus 6 goes on the next side, on the other side, and it becomes plus 6. So the value of X is plus 6, and hence we can say that the oxidation number of sulfur here is plus 6. Let us take one more example. We'll take example of carbonate ion. Here we'll find out the oxidation number of carbon. So number of atoms of carbon is 1 and oxidation number we have to find out. So we'll take it as X. So it will become 1 into X plus another element is oxygen. Number of atoms of oxygen is 3 and the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. So it will become 3 into bracket minus 2, which will be equal to, this time it will be equal to minus 2. As we can see, it is a polyatomic ion having minus 2 ka charge. So on performing the maths, we will get X minus 6 equals to minus 2. Minus 6 goes on the next other side, becomes plus 6. Plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4. And hence X equals to plus 4. So the oxidation number of carbon here is plus 4. You can take more examples. As you go on solving more and more examples, you will gain perfection. So this was my video on how to find out the oxidation numbers. If you liked this video, please smash out the like button. If you have any suggestions or any queries, please comment right below. Please share this video with all your friends. Thank you for giving me all your time. I hope everyone enjoyed. सब लोग मजे करो.